Hey y'all, it's Chelsea with Unleashed Dog Training. I'm here with Nebbie and Mosby. They have never met before. Actually, I lied. Come here. Sit. Yes. They met when she was very little, but we're not going to count that. So anyway, I have her off leash in just a stay position, and I have him in a sit position. What I'm going to do is go ahead and walk around and just work on her staying up there and them just completely ignoring each other until it's time for me to bring her on out. Good boy. Good sit. Good sit. Yes. Good boy. Nebbie, stay. Mosby with me. Good with me. Good with me. Good boy. So when he goes to pull, I just give a little tug. Yes. Come on. With me? Yes. Sit. Good boy. With me? Sit. Yes. Good boy. Good girl, Nebbie. Very good. With me? Nebbie, stay. So I'm just giving her a reminder because I'm going to go a little bit further. Sit. Stay. With me? Yes. Good job. Look at that loose leash. Good boy, Mosby. We're only 4 lessons in. Good girl, Nebbie. Stay. Sit. Good girl. All right, join for part 2. I'm going to go ahead and take her on out. All right, guys, we're back with part 2. We have Nebbie in the place position out of the vehicle, and we're going to go ahead and start working on Mosby leaving her alone, vice versa, in a loose leash heel. Mosby, leave it. Good boy. With me. Leave it. Yes. So when he goes for her, just like when he pulls, I just do a little correction. Mosby, leave it. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Good girl. With me. It is a windy day out here today, guys. So see, I'm staying a few feet away from her. Good boy. He's walking wonderful. And then I'm going to start getting a little bit closer. Good. Leave it. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Very good. Good girl, Nebbie. With me? So right when he goes for her, leave it. And I give a little jiggle and come to a stop. Yes. Good boy. Leave it. Yes. Good boy. So as soon as he pays attention to me, that's when I'm telling him, yes, good boy, or rewarding him. Sit. Stay. Good. Nebbie, stay. Mosby, come. With me. Leave it. Yes, that was good. He left her alone. Nebbie, down. Good sit. Good down, Nebbie. Nebbie, stay. With me. Good, Mosby. So we're just getting them used to, hey, when you see a dog, we're not saying hi. It's not playtime. Sit. Good. See how focused he is? Good. And see, she's completely ignoring him. Good boy. Very good. With me. Leave it. Yes. Good job. Nebbie down. Good. Nebbie stay. Mosby with me. He's walking great. She's staying great. Yes. With me. Leave it. Leave it. Yes, good boy. So I gave that little jiggle. Sit. Stay. Stay. That's a great stay. Nebbie stay. Mosby come. Nebbie, no. Place. Nebbie, leave it. Nebbie, leave it. Place. Yes, good girl. Down. Good girl. So he got excited, but it's about managing it. She wanted to say hello and is showing her, hey, I'm not going to let you say hi just because you want to, and putting her back. Good girl. With me? So we're going to do that again. Mosby, sit. Nebbie, stay. Nebbie, stay. Mosby, come. Nebbie, no. Place. Nebbie, place. Yes. Good girl. Good boy, Mosby. Mosby, sit. Your ears all tangled. Nebbie, stay. Mosby, come. Good job. With me. All right, with me. Yes. Leave it. Sit. Stay. Nebbie, stay. Mosby, with me. Yes. Good boy. Good girl. Sit. Good. Nebbie, stay. Mosby, with me. Sit. Stay. Nebbie, stay. Mosby, with me. Good with me. Sit. Stay. With me. Good sit. Good boy. Good girl, Nebbie. That was excellent.